Hey, this is indeed a cutting-edge course. Let's get started. MSc Virtual Reality is 12 months master level course, and here are the top reasons to go for this course. Provides graduates with an overview of XR technology and applications. Enables you to understand and apply modern VR technology in the context of social, economic, and technical challenges. The course facilitates you to develop a holistic, multidisciplinary, and novel approach to idea generation and problem-solving techniques. With this cutting-edge course, you will be able to define and develop effective computer-based applications. Enables you to reflect on the importance, individual strengths, and weaknesses in entrepreneurial and innovative thinking. You will engage with organizations effectively to develop project plans and develop a fundamental understanding of project management in new age VR space. While developing VR applications, having the correct tools is crucial. This course provides an all-inclusive package of the tools required, including a VR development laptop. This will allow you to carry out all aspects of the course, from learning the basics to developing their final dissertation project. The tools will then be yours to keep after the course is completed, so you can continue applying your new VR skills in your future career. The state-of-the-art facilities and resources at Swansea University include dedicated VR workstations with full-body, eye, and hand tracking for advanced applications. Oculus Go for 360 VR, Oculus Quest for simplified room-scale VR, and much more. To know more about this course, log on to speaktouniversity.com. Find the link in the description.